Did you just buy an airbag equipped with In&motion technology? We will see together how to choose your formula and create your account, how to pair the In&box to activate your airbag, and finally, how the In&box works. Let's start by seeing how to choose your plan and create your account. To use your airbag system, you need to create a user account and subscribe to an In&box plan. To do this, go to the App Store or the Play Store and download the My In&box application. Ensure that your phone or tablet is connected to the internet. Initiate the application and tap on the option labeled Create an Account. From there, let yourself be guided. Select the formula of your choice and choose the main detection mode you want. Select your options and enter your personal information. Delivery of an In&box will be offered to you. Only indicate yes if the In&box is not provided with your airbag product. And there you go! Welcome! You are now able to pair your In&box. Let us now see together how to pair the In&box in order to activate the airbag. To pair and activate your In&box, you just need your airbag system, the charged In&box, and the mobile application in place. Start by turning on the In&box by quickly double-clicking the center button. Activate the Bluetooth on your phone and make sure you have access to the internet. Launch the application and commence the pairing process. Scan the barcode located on the label inside your airbag product, or enter the serial number manually for verification. Then open your In&box. If multiple In&boxes are detected, an information message will appear and you will need to scan the QR code printed on the back of the In&box. Upon scanning, a validation screen will appear. The In&box is now fully active and open for access to your user account. You now have access to the dashboard of your In&box, as well as the user account to manage your formulas and options. Per the formula, you can activate new detection modes, suspend membership, or cancel. To conclude, we will see the fundamentals of the In&box. The In&box is the detection and triggering device of the airbag system. It contains the battery and sensors that analyze the rider's movements over 1,000 times per second. It is this box that is capable of detecting a fall and thus ordering the inflation of the airbag cushion to protect you. The In&box is removable and is positioned in the back of your airbag garment. To insert the In&box into the airbag, position it flat. Then, push the In&box firmly to the left to clip it in place so that it locks into position. The red marking on the lock button should no longer be visible. Once inserted, the LED inflator in the top left of your In&box turns green. Know that the In&box is autonomous and works without the application or even if the phone is turned off. The In&box has a continuous driving autonomy of 30 hours, and it will take you about 3 hours to fully recharge it. To recharge it, utilize the cable provided in the box. To power on or off the In&box, you need to execute a quick double press on the central button. It also has an automatic standby mode. If you leave it perfectly still for 2 minutes, it will go into standby mode and automatically turn back on at the slightest movement. The In&box consists of 3 LEDs, which are the initial visual indicators of your system. The LED inflator lets you know the status of your system after inserting the In&box into the airbag. If it is green, your airbag is functional. If it is red or off, be careful. Do not use your airbag product and refer to the user manual. We also find the battery LED. If it is red, you have about 30% battery left, which is about 7 hours of riding. If it blinks, be careful, it is better to recharge your In&box. If your In&box is properly connected, the battery LED is blue and will turn green once fully charged. And finally, the GPS LED. Know that the system is functional without GPS. GPS only allows for optimization of detection. Under a tunnel, the airbag always remains functional. Attention, if the In&box flashes red, it is not functional and your airbag will not inflate in a fall. Verify your membership status, connect your In&box to your mobile application, or plug it in near a configured Wi-Fi network connection for seamless access. If the problem persists, contact us. To benefit from the latest updates and performance improvements in detection, go to the next tutorial. Any doubt or question? For more details, refer to the user manual of your product or the help section of the website.